Where are you go? Where are you going?
Japan.
Japan.
Jalan, jalan.
Jalan-jalan. So we're going jalan-jalan.
Jalan-jalan means what?
Jalan-jalan to go somewhere else. Just for walk or window shopping. Yeah, window shopping. It's not shopping, it's window shopping only.
Only a window shopping.
Yes, because we don't have enough money. No money. No money, no honey. This one, no money, no honey. So, is there some available guy out there? So, she's free.
I'm going to pay.
Live na.
Hindi mo, wala akong load. Ano lang.
Ako nag-live.
Pwede pa itong ma-edit eh.
Baka may mag-comment dyan. I'm free.
I have
I'm
secret admirer.
She had secret admirer, mashallah.
Yang.
Yang.
Yang, my secret
From the city of
Shanghai.
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 Yeah, that is the one that I showed you. It's before you after that.
Oh, video to die. Oh, sige na, mag-picture ka na. Oh. Oh, ang ganda ng sasakyan niya.
You don't have boyfriend. Today is boyfriend.
I don't have boyfriend, I have only husband.
It's
Ah.
the same. You have to
He is my ex-boyfriend. He is
Your
my
husband?
Yes, my husband is my ex-boyfriend. Kasi nga, 'di ba, ex-boyfriend mo na siya kasi hindi na kayo mag-boyfriend kasi mag-asawa na kayo.
Mag-asawa na.
That's the explanation of it.
Akala ko tuluyan na.
see, Mary.
Ah,
Like you who is married, you have to celebrate boyfriend's
Day.
thingy.
mm.
You have to give something to husband. Then there is Father's Day. You have to give because then there is
Because we want it in practical, we just use it for our house.
anything like
Anything
now
that,
you
anything.
see me, my father, like starting next year, I have to be remembering his birthday, okay, the anniversary. You understand? Then the Father's Day. Yeah, starting next year. Even
Oh,
starting-
look, we are in height. Eh,
Hi.
come here, see, look.
What?
Height. Look at our height.
Oh my God, I'm shorty.
Why?
Short pygmy.